Morning, my dear students. My name is Dihankөл Dүйсебаева, your English teacher. Our theme discussing controversial learning objectives. Understand the main points in unsupported extended talk on a wide range of general and curricular topics, including talk on a growing range of unfamiliar topics. Plan, edit, write, edit, and proofread work at text level independently on a wide range of general and curricular topics. Lesson objective. Talk about gamifying the classroom and understand the main idea of the text to compare the students' answers. Exercise 1. Fill the headings of the issues 1 up to 6 with the words or phrases below. As a society, a rapid piece of development that's changing the way that we live in aspects of life, whether positive or negative, this is our changing world. You must match these phrases or words with next issues. A. Consumerism. B. Education. C. Politics. D. Energy. E. Communication. F. Social change. First, renewable resources, carbon footprint initiatives, smart power grids, low emission zones. 2. Global online communities, online campaigns, social media platforms. 3. Digital activism, fake news, online leaks, and data hacking. 4. Smart products, online shopping, cashless transactions. 5. Wearables, smartphones, voice responses, virtual assistant. 6. Mobile learning apps, gamifications, interactive whiteboards, ebooks, virtual learning platforms. You must match these issues with these issues, these words. Let's do this. So first, energy, renewable resources, carbon footprint initiatives, smart power, grid low emissions. Communication, second, global online communities, online campaigns, social media platforms. Politics, 3. Digital activism, fake news, online leaks and data hackings. 4. Consumerism, smart products, online shopping, cashless transactions. 5. Social change, wearables, smartphones, voice responses, virtual assistant. 6. Education, mobile learning apps, gamifications, interactive boards, whiteboards, ebooks, virtual learners platforms. Next, vocabulary work. Look at the text and under the text check these words. Take the world by storm. Әлемді бағындыру. Approach, тәсіл, engagement, міндеттеме, utilize, пайдалану, relevant, сәйкес, millennial generation, мыңжылдықтың ұрпағы, leaderboard, көшбасшылар тізімі, immerse oneself in, ойға шому, reluctant, қарсы тұрған, measurable, өлшенетін. What makes a good mobile game? Compare your answers with your partners. First, user engagement. Second, rewards for reaching targets. Third, competitive leaderboards. 4. Entertainment. 5. Progression through levels. Controversial issues. Exercise 4. Read the text. Look at the first paragraph and discuss what the main idea of the paragraph is. Which statements, A or B, summarizes paragraph? A. Gamification in a new, exciting concept that is revolutionizing the way we work and play the long term. In order to make a life more entertaining, gamification is challenging, exciting concept with new process. Next. If you understand my lesson, you can choose first picture. If you understand but you have questions, you can choose second picture. If you don't understand the text, the theme, you need a help, you can choose third picture. So the lesson is over. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.